Who me? Who me? Let me not get too close because it's dirty. But who me? Alright, so today it is Sunday. And I am having a biscuit. Here's the other half of it. But I'm having a biscuit with some honey. I don't have any sugar-free honey, so I'm just using regular honey. 3 pieces of bacon. And then, excuse my messy this, I'm having some protein coffee. So all I used was regular coffee with Premier Protein. So instead of using 2 scoops, I use 1 scoop, and that is how I get 15 grams of protein. And then of course with the not eggs, but with some bacon, and that's how I'm getting my protein in today. So I'm just taking it a little bit light. Like I said before, I try to switch it up on the weekends. Okay. First off, this biscuit is hard. So this bacon is very like tough. Like, see, I can barely break it. And it tastes weird like the Alright, so today we are in Sam's Club searching for some food. I like to get on the Sam's Club app and then scan my items as I put them in the cart, so that way I can avoid the line. So that's a helpful tip. So we get bacon on here. Oh. Lunchables. Oh, here goes the waffle fries. The southern style waffle fries. They're like Chick-fil-A. Yeah. They just different. Yeah. Ooh, look at all this stuff. Huh? What did you say? No, I'm talking to the camera. Ooh, give me some more salad. I don't want to have to cut up anything. Spring mix. Me a big old thing of strawberries. These apples.
Real baby.
Yeah. Alright, so we picked up strawberries. We got, I don't know what this is. Some type of raw stuffed chicken. We got some Tysons. I picked up my sugar-free caramel because I like this one better than the regular. Got some beans in here from Publix. Got these picked up. Regular bacon. Some home-style meatballs. We got these real. Got this turkey bacon. It's my favorite. Picked up the salad that y'all saw. The water. The croissants. These waffle fries. And the chicken bites. So to me, these here taste just like what do you call it, Chick-fil-A, because it has the rib meat in it. So these right here are the absolute best. So when Chick-fil-A is closed, get you the waffle fries and get you these out of Sam's Club. I couldn't find what I was looking for. What was that? The protein bars, I can't remember the name, but they taste like marshmallows. So I got these right here. So these are good. The mesquite grilled chicken fillets. These are apples so I can stay regulated. Got some pork chops. So that's pretty much all that we got. Oh, and then we picked up this from the meat store to go in our greens that we're going to have later today. And got some milk. These poppies better taste good. So that's the end of that haul right there. And I will check you out in a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and I know my face is like cut off, but it's all right. So, isn't it crazy? I'm gonna show a clip of a little picture of what my body looked like last year, and now I got these same shorts. But anywho, so first on Ross, this is what I got. So this here is a size 4. This one is stretchy, okay? So we're going to try. So with my haul, it is going to be size range of 6s and then just 1 4, okay? My shirts are going to be a size small, just a reference. They fit quite nicely on me, not too shabby, whatever. I got plenty of room right there. Quite cute. I like it. It has a little ruffles right here. I like that because it's able to stay up. So you just got to adjust it up your arm and then it'll go like that. That's how it goes. This is what it looks like in the back. All you got to do is boom like that. And it just flares out. So this will be cute like with a pencil skirt or with these pair of pants that I got on right now. But pretty dainty, so I like it. Cardigan right here because you can see a little something funny. I like it. Very cute. Got the nice little details right there. Really nice. And it's cute. Very thin. Something that I can wear like right now, where it's not too hot and not. And this jacket here feels divine. Like, I love it. Nice detail. There's not like a huge gap in the back the way how the other jacket has it. It's pretty nice on me. I like it. Fits my shoulders, like right here and not hanging. Pretty. So with these pants, you just pull them over your body. There is no button, no nothing on these. You just slip them right on. So these here are the size 6. So this, girl, yes. But you can tuck it in however you want to do it. Tie it up, like that. Wear it halfway off your shoulder, however the new people wear it. But let's go ahead and get into the Temu. And I think you might like the Temu. When I tell you, when I wore this to work last week, I had all eyes on me, honey. And it's cardigan. It is so freaking. Look how long this is. I wore these with a pair of jeans and a black fitted tank because it wasn't too hot or too cold. Who, me? Who, me? Let me not get too close because it's dirty. But who, me? I mean, not pullover jacket, but another cardigan. So this one is like a wool type. I don't know if you can see it, but comes with 2 pockets. This is what the back looks like. This is what it looks like here, honey. One, but I found something a little close to it. I love like this little stripe pattern going at hip area. I wanted something right here, but what it looks like this. How it fits. It should fit like this. Like really, really nice. There's no pockets or anything. It's just something cute and casual to wear. What the rib-like material is. This is like really cute and different. I love like how it got the leopard print and everything like that with my name. Well, it came with my name. So the cute. And I got it to go with my white shirt that I had got from Temu. It has like the little 3 pockets, same as the black one that I showed you. And there goes the third. Well, the shirt that I got from Temu is They're Not Like Us. I got this one in small, and it's her. So worth is priceless. Her worth is priceless. I am her. I thought that was a cute little saying. So, oops, the mic is right there. Sorry. So I got that to go with this bag right here with some black leather pants. That's what I want to get because that's what the model was wearing. Some black leather pants. So I thought that would be a cute little outfit too. Because this one was already 19 minutes, but by the time I edit it, honey, it will be 6. All right. So I am hungry. I did not eat very well today. I'm 45 right now, but I'm waiting on my husband to finish cooking so I can eat some real food because I need it. Let's catch up a little bit later after I clean up and put everything up in its respective place and then start editing, okay? I just got I just got the Amazon package, something that I was looking for. I'm getting ready to eat an apple because, as you saw in the last clip, I was hungry and I have a headache. I have a worldwide headache at that. That apple a little hard. I don't like no. Wow, that is sweet. Good Lord, that's a sweet apple. Plate looks like here. I added some pumpkin spice and a little bit of peanut butter. Okay. So yes, I got pants on. I got bottoms. Okay. Ooh. Bought this. Okay. So this is a rechargeable mini nail lamp. Y'all might want to see it. So let me. Nail lamp. Ow. Oh, it's right there. All right. So this is what it looks like. You get a charger. Okay. We move that out the way. And this is the nail lamp. I'm so excited. Look, y'all. It goes like that. Yes. And then you turn. Okay. You turn it. Oh my gosh. I can just do it like that. The nail on. I like this little, almost like a little tulip. So 10 seconds is reading, 30 seconds. I hope you can see that. And then 60 seconds. Yes. From Sally's. Did I do a haul last week? Because I had a girls' day with my girls. So yeah. To use this right here with y'all with like doing my nails and stuff. Because I think that'd be so cute. Alright. And then I can finally see, like when I'm doing the maps and stuff, I can see it on my CarPlay. So make sure you're getting the right charger for an Apple CarPlay. So that's what this is about. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Yeah. Do my nails. Eat. I wanted to do a workout. And now, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to do a whole shower routine, shave and do all of that. So on to batch creating. I'll see you in a second. Okay, so while I was downloading my videos so I can upload the video I was talking about, identity, and then get ready to edit another a vlog video that I did last week. I need to put that out before I put today's vlog out, and I'm just gonna wait for today's vlog, put it out next week. So let me go ahead and start editing. Rib, and cornbread. Okay, so the sauce that you see drizzling right there, it is this right here. This is the best sauce. I get it from Walmart. So, you know, you just want a little quick little meal, have the meat already done and just make the sides. That's how you do it.